What if I told you that, as of this week, a robot with a human face and mind has officially started working alongside real people, earning a salary and clocking in just like the rest of us? This is not a scene from a futuristic movie. This is happening right now, and it's about to change everything you know about work. Imagine walking into your job and seeing a humanoid robot not only following instructions, but actually learning, adapting, and collaborating as part of your team. Today, we're diving into the story of Figure 01, the world's first humanoid robot to sign a real employment contract and take on a job in a real American factory. Why is this such a big deal? Because Figure 01 isn't just another machine on the assembly line. It's a robot designed to think, move, and work like a human, powered by advanced artificial intelligence that learns from every experience. Figure 01 was developed by Figure, a company that believes the future of work will be a partnership between humans and intelligent robots. Their vision is to create robots that can handle not just repetitive tasks, but also adapt to new challenges just like people do. This week, Figure 01 made history by joining the workforce at a major logistics company in the United States. Its job to help sort packages, move inventory, and support human workers in the fast-paced environment of a modern warehouse. But what makes Figure 01 truly extraordinary is its ability to learn on the go. Instead of being programmed for every single task, Figure 01 observes, understands, and imitates human actions, picking up new skills in real time. The robot's sensors and cameras allow it to navigate complex spaces, avoid obstacles, and interact safely with both people and objects. It can recognize faces, respond to voice commands, and even interpret gestures. On its very first day, Figure 01 surprised everyone with how quickly it adapted. It watched experienced workers, learned the workflow, and began taking on tasks independently within hours. Some employees were skeptical at first, wondering if a robot could really keep up with the demands of a busy warehouse. But Figure 01 quickly won them over by handling heavy lifting, delicate sorting, and even troubleshooting minor issues. Unlike traditional industrial robots, Figure 01 doesn't need to be fenced off or isolated. It moves freely among people, working side by side without causing disruptions or safety concerns. Its design is inspired by the human body, with arms, hands, and legs that mimic natural movement. This allows Figure 01 to perform tasks that require dexterity and precision, from stacking boxes to picking up fragile items. The robot's artificial intelligence is constantly evolving. With every task, it gets smarter, learning from both successes and mistakes. This means Figure 01 is always improving, becoming a more valuable member of the team every day. Managers at the company noticed a boost in productivity almost immediately. Figure 01's tireless work ethic and ability to take on repetitive or strenuous tasks freed up human workers to focus on more complex and creative problems. But Figure 01 isn't just about efficiency. It's also about safety. The robot can handle dangerous jobs like lifting heavy loads or working in hazardous areas, reducing the risk of injury for its human colleagues. As news of Figure 01's employment spread, it sparked a global conversation. Videos of the robot in action went viral on social media, with millions of people amazed by how lifelike its movements were. Some viewers were excited about the possibilities, imagining a future where robots help out in every workplace. Others were concerned about what this means for jobs and the future of human labor. The company behind Figure 01 insists that the robot is here to help, not replace, human workers. By taking on the most repetitive or risky tasks, Figure 01 allows people to focus on work that requires creativity, problem-solving, and human connection. This partnership between humans and robots could redefine the modern workplace. Instead of competing, people and machines can collaborate, each bringing unique strengths to the table. Figure 01's success has inspired other companies to invest in humanoid robotics. Experts predict that we'll soon see robots like Figure 01 in hospitals, schools, and even our homes, assisting with everything from caregiving to education. And it's not the only humanoid robot making headlines. Tesla's Optimus is being developed as a general-purpose humanoid designed to handle household tasks and factory work. Optimus features Tesla's in-house AI software, similar to the one that powers their self-driving cars. However, unlike Figure 1, Optimus is still in early stages of mobility and task generalization. Then there's Atlas, the famous bipedal robot from Boston Dynamics. Atlas is known for its agility and backflips, but it's built more for demonstration than real-world jobs, at least for now. Agility Robotics is also working on Digit, a humanoid designed specifically for warehouse work. Figure 1 stands out because it combines real-time adaptability, safe human interaction, and actual job performance, all in a real commercial setting. The technology powering Figure 1 is advancing rapidly. Engineers are working to make future versions even more agile, intelligent, and energy efficient. Of course, there are still challenges to overcome. Teaching robots to understand complex environments, handle unexpected situations, and interact naturally with people requires huge amounts of data and careful programming. Ethical questions are also being raised. How do we ensure that robots are used responsibly? What rights and protections should human workers have as robots become more common in the workplace? Despite these challenges, the story of Figure 1 marks a turning point in the history of technology. For the first time, a robot is not just a tool, but a true co-worker, learning, adapting, and growing alongside us. The company is already gathering feedback from employees to improve the robot's performance and make sure the transition is smooth for everyone involved. Some experts believe that within the next decade, humanoid robots will be as common as smartphones are today. Others urge caution, reminding us that technology should always serve humanity, not the other way around. Will robots like Figure 1 free us from boring, repetitive work, or will they create new challenges for society to solve? The answer is still unfolding, and the world is watching closely. One thing is clear: the line between science fiction and reality is getting thinner every day. The age of the humanoid co-worker has officially begun. As Figure 1 continues to learn and evolve, it will shape not only the future of industry, but also the way we think about work, technology, and what it means to be human. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of work. Stay curious and keep watching, because the next chapter in the story of robots and humans is just beginning.